Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm at Burlington and I'm just looking to see what they have new. And I see this Arrow Postal tank top, little Friends t-shirt for $7. This BB Sport top, they also have that at Ross. This Puma shirt, I like the peach color. And that one's $13. $8 plum kind of color. $11 tank top. $8 black tee, and then they have a white one. I like this Reebok one because I like the pink color for $8. And another $8 v-neck. But I'm just starting over here. I guess I'm in the workout section, but who knows where I'll end up. I think I want to look at the purses too, and some more clothes, like see what kind of clothes they have. So it looks like they have a lot of BB, Reebok. I saw Under Armour, Arrow, which is Aeropostale. So that is super cute for $7. And a lot of these shirts have matching pants. I know I mentioned that at Ross too. Look at this BB top. I love the bright color. So that's a look at some of the workout pants and leggings. And look at these. They're like see-through pants for $13, but maybe it's for a swimsuit, like to go over a swimsuit, which I've always just seen swimsuit dresses, so it's funny to see pants. And look at this super cute cropped tie-dye shirt. It says love. I love this one. I love the colors of the tie-dye. It kind of looks patriotic for $7. And then they have this one that's really pretty. And it says positive vibes, positive vibes, positive vibes. And this one's $7 as well. And it kind of looks oversized crop. So I don't mind crop shirts when they're oversized. So now I'm going to just check out the purses and see what they have.